Adventure, struggle, dangerous roads, and mystery. Kalash. One of the destinations I was looking forward to since I was a child. I was 10 years old when I saw Kalasha women on TV, singing and dancing in their colorful dresses. It hit me so hard that even today when I close my eyes, memory is still there, clear and vivid. My father told me these are Kalasha people and they live in Pakistan. Nothing more he knew, and nothing more I asked. One day, I will go there to meet these beautiful people, I told myself. All the way to Kalash, I thought I'm going to explore this lost civilization. Instead, I lost myself as I left the valley. I haven't seen any community so desperately in need than the Kalasha people. Behind their smiles, I felt there is a sadness they're trying to hide. People say Kalasha are going to be a thing of the past soon. I don't think so, because they will take care of it the way they have been for the past 3,000 years. My question is, how many more years they are going to be stared at? Like they're not humans, but things.